Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time, and welcome to the island of Anegada in the British Virgin Islands. As you can see, it's so windy that you can't even hear me, so let me interpret. Now, before we get to the food part of the show, which is my take on some of the traditional local cuisine, I thought I'd show you around Anegada. And why is it that I always think of Anegada da Vida? For starters, it's the most remote of the islands in the BVI, and it's also the only island that is not volcanic. It's a coral island, which means it's very flat. In fact, the highest point is only 26 feet. About 250 people live here. Anegada is known for their endless white sand beaches, which are largely deserted. Oh wait, there's some people over there. Another thing you'll find on Anegada is conch shells. Piles of them everywhere. And in fact, these were first collected in ancient times by the Arawak Indians, and they've been added to since. It's also a magnet for kite surfers. And talk about inviting beach bars. Well, I'm getting hungry, so join me along with my 22-month-old granddaughter Delaney as we make a delicious Caribbean dinner. Now, the first thing I want to do The first thing I want to do with this spicy mango chicken is season the chicken very well. So we have to season it with salt, and I have my helper here, Delaney. And can you put salt all over the chicken? Here, I'll get the top off for you. There, okay. Yeah, now you gotta put a lot of salt on there. Oh, that's good, and all over here. You're very good with a salt grinder. You like chicken, right? Some more? Over here? Here, wait, I'll turn it around. Okay, over this side. Yeah. And that piece over there. Oh, very good. Don't touch it. Okay, thank you very much. Do you like chicken? Yes? Okay. Well, I'm going to roast this chicken in the oven, and then we'll eat it later, okay? Yeah. Yes, okay? Yeah. What's Grandpa doing?
Hi, you.
Well, thank you very much for your help. Okay, thank you. I have a dozen pieces of chicken. Make sure they're very generously salted. These are drumsticks and thighs. I'm going to roast them in a 400-degree oven, and we've got things to do while these are roasting. So we're going to make the coconut rice. I have 3.5 cups of water, and I'm going to do 2.5 cups of coconut milk. There's 1. 2.5. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. We're going to bring that to a boil before we add our white rice. The coconut water is boiling. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter. Stir that in. And I also am going to add 3 cups of white rice. One. There we go. When that comes back to a boil, which it almost is, there we go. You put the top on, you turn it down to the lowest flame, and you let that cook for about 20 minutes or so. Next on the agenda, we're going to do the mango glaze, the spicy mango glaze. So I have 2 cups of mango chutney. And you know, in the UK, they always use, you know, chutney and marmalade and stuff like that. Well, they do in the BVI too, except mango seems to be more appropriate. So I've got 2 cups of this mango chutney. I'm going to add a cup of white wine. And of course, you're in the Caribbean. You have to have some heat. So I'm going to do a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. We're just going to bring this to a boil and let it simmer for a few minutes so those 3 flavors can get to know one another a little bit. My chicken pieces are nicely browned, nice and salty. I'm going to take this mango chutney sauce, put it all over the top. We're going to pop this back in the oven just so that glaze kind of sears on top of there. I'd say 10 minutes. So I made some dinner tonight. Look at it's mango chicken with coconut rice. Oh, does that sound good?
Yes.
Would you like to try some?
No, this.
You want to try the chicken? Yes? You want to try the coconut rice?
No.
No.
This.
You really want the chicken?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let me cut off a piece.
Grandma, here's your bottle of wine.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay, let me make sure this isn't too hot, okay? I think it's okay. You want to try it?
No, this.
Oh, there's chicken on there, see? There's chicken on there. Okay, ready?
Hot.
It's a little hot. Okay, spit it out in my hand. Okay, now. I think it should be okay now. Okay, try it again. Do you like it? You like it? Would you like some more? Yes?
Hey.
Do you like the rice?
No.
No, you like the chicken. The chicken. Okay, we'll get you some more chicken.
Da-da.
You want some wine with that?
No.
No, that's for Grandma.
No.
Okay. Don't, Mom. You don't go back. Okay. Here's another bite of chicken. Let me make sure it's not too hot. Oh, it's okay.
Hot.
No, it's okay.
No hot.
Okay, now it's okay. What do you think? No, what do you think? Is that good? You like it? Thank you so much. Okay. All right, we're all done.
No.
Oh, you want more? Yes? Okay. Anegada is probably one of the most laid-back places I've ever been. I mean, there are no big hotels, no casinos. There's very little development here. Oh, there's one more thing. Anegada has the sweetest lobster in the entire Caribbean. Whoa!
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.